Hey Divas, thank you so much for stopping by this flamin' hot channel today. I decided to do a get ready with me, just a makeup edition. So I will be using this Cabral Brow Gel by Benefit. I'm just going to use that to line my eyebrows from the bottom and then fill it in and line the top as well. I find it easiest to fill in my brows before I apply primer. From there, I am going to apply it all over my face, including my lids, to prepare it as a base for my eyeshadow and for my foundation. I'll use this Modern Renaissance palette and take this color here. It's like a reddish color, and I'm just going to apply that on the outer crease. And then I'm also going to do that towards the inner portion of my eye as well and kind of sweep it over. I'm trying to stay from or refrain from putting it in the middle because I'm going to do a globe effect and I don't want to have any product there. So I'm going to take my Morphe 350 palette and take that gold color and place that in the middle. That way I can have that bulb glowy effect. And so just have my darker colors on the outside and then have that pop of gold on the center. To help with blending, I'm going to take this gold champagne color and apply that to my crease. Then I'm going to take Trophy Wife and I'll apply that on top of the gold just to add some blingage, you know, because this is very pigmented. It's one of my faves. Then I'm going to apply my foundation. I wear Maybelline Fit Me in the color 330 Toffee. I'm going to apply that all over my face. I tend to go with a foundation that is darker than my skin shade. I just like how it looks that way, and so I apply it and it oxidizes so well. I'm going to go back in with a clean brush just to clean it up and blend it out some more. Blending is definitely key. And from here, I'm going to use my Ben Nye Banana Powder. I'm going to put that in my under eye area. I don't use concealer. I just like to use a little bit of banana powder just to brighten up the area down there. Next, I'm going to use the best drugstore eyeliner on the market. It is the CoverGirl Get in Line eyeliner. I have it in the color Black Vinyl. They have so many different options to choose from. By far, this is my favorite. I don't have any issues with smudging or with it coming off. It is very long lasting. Next, I'm going to add some dimension back to my face since that foundation kind of drowned me out. I'm just going to use this basic standard BH Cosmetics contour palette, and I'm going to use the brown contour shade along with the orange shade as well and kind of just blend that out. And then I will be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit palette just to add some extra glow to my face. Next, I'm going to go in with my Killawatt Duo Highlighter by Fenty Beauty. It's broke, but it's still going to work for me. So I'm going to apply that to the highlights of my face, and then I'm going to go in with Trophy Wife and do the same thing as well. Now that my liquid eyeliner has dried, I'm going to go in with my Prime Luxe Lashes by my girl Bronte Washington. She has amazing lashes, an amazing lash line with a lot of great things in her lash kit. I highly recommend you guys check her out. I'll leave her link in the description box below so that you can check out her social media pages and her products. This is my first time wearing her lashes and I can honestly say I love them. I am a huge advocate for buying local and buying from people that you know to support them, support their dreams. So I'm also going to show you guys this liquid lipstick that I got from my sister. Her name is Sharika and she has her own custom lipstick line called Bella Lipstick. And basically she makes custom lipstick colors. So you can actually buy the colors that she already has prepared, or you can ask to make your own custom lip shade and she can get one. She can whip it up for you and get that sent to you. I highly recommend it. It is so bomb. I really love the pigment of the color that I chose. It's called Raquel Red. And I am in love with this color. You guys know I love reds, and her products are all natural, so you can't go wrong with that. So I went ahead and took my hair down. I have not flat ironed my hair since Vlogmas, so this is the first time that I'm actually wearing it straight since last year, so I'm pretty excited. I went a long time without straightening my hair, so yay me, but this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. And I don't think I mentioned it earlier, I am wearing the Amber lashes. I also purchased the Kimmy lashes, but in this video, I'm wearing Amber. So divas, this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. Give this video a thumbs up if you do. Let me know if you want more makeup tutorials. I don't think I'm like that good, but if you want to see more of those type of videos, let me know. I have just flat ironed my hair for the first time this year, so I'm pretty excited because I normally do it every 2 weeks, but I have not done so since Vlogmas. So I have straightened my hair and it's feeling pretty soft and cute, but stay tuned for my next video because I will be doing another color with hair paint wax. So yeah, I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't clicked the subscribe button, click that button now so you don't miss an upload from me, and also click that notification bell, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.